What's up, YouTube? This your boy Chris in the Cali and Tech Garage. In this video, I will be attempting to remove a broken stud that I have in the side of the Honda Goldwing. To remove the broken stud, I have a couple of tools in my arsenal. I may use the spiral screw extractor kit. I have a 1/4 and 5/16 screw extractor. I will be using this 1/8 drill bit, as well as a hammer and a drill, and also my safety glasses. So hopefully we can get this stud removed out of the Goldwing. Let's get started. Goldwing Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who is fearless. A young loner on a crusade to champion the cause in a world of reckless automobiles. These are my motovlogs. The first thing I'm going to do, I need to mark the very center of the stud with the hole punch. I want to just put an indenture there, and we're going to drill with the 1/8 drill bit. So I want to try to get dead center of the stud if possible. I want to get dead center of that stud if possible. Just make a simple tap with my hammer. And I want to make sure that I'm dead center. I'm going to add a little lubricant just to make sure it's nice and lubricated. And this process will probably work better if you use a smaller drill bit first. And once we get it started, we can come back with the 1/8 drill bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the 1/8 drill bit. See if I can go ahead and reverse it out. and it's coming out. So I was able to remove the broken stud from the side of the Goldwing fairly easy. I started out with a very small drill bit. I punched it dead center with the punch. I went dead center with the punch. Started with a little bitty small drill bit to start my hole. I applied penetrating lubricant so not to overheat the drill bit, and I knocked in the spiral screw extractor, and it came right out. So it was fairly easy. I just wanted to show you guys how to remove broken studs that are in the Goldwing. For some reason, it seems like Honda used some bolts that break very easily. Some people broke their bolts with their foot pegs, taking off their passenger foot pegs or their floorboards. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how to remove a broken stud out the side of the Honda Goldwing. The left rear engine guard crash bar, the bracket that holds it actually was wobbling, and I couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So as I got to looking into it, I found that one of the bolts or studs had broken off into the side of the Goldwing. So now that I have removed it, I'm just going to be placing the engine guard crash bar back on the Honda Goldwing. So if you guys have a trailer installed on your Goldwing, always kind of go back and make sure you check your hardware. Sometimes things will get loose. I think the problem I ran into is that the bolts for the Honda Goldwing was actually too short. So I actually went to the hardware store and picked up some metric 1 1/4 by 40 millimeter bolts, which just a little bit longer than the OEM bolts. This pack here is 1 1/4 by 35 millimeters, just a little bit longer than the OEM bolt. So basically what I'm gonna do is replace the OEM bolts and go back with the longer bolts that I picked up from the hardware store. So before I determine which size I actually need, I took one of the bolts out of the pack, and I just wanted to make sure that I got a good thread on the side of the Goldwing. Make sure it goes in as it should. I don't know which size I'm gonna need yet, but I guess between the two, as long as it's a little bit longer than that OEM bolt, I should be okay. And I just want to verify that the threads are still good, that it's not cross-threaded or any metal shards are still lodged inside. And I just want to verify that I got good threads on the bike. This bolt here was the 1 1/4 by 40 millimeters. Maybe a little bit too long, but if so, I could go with the shorter bolts, the 1 1/4 by 35 millimeter. I'm gonna try the 35 millimeter bolt. With a lock washer and a flat washer. And I just want to get it started. I don't want to tighten it all the way down. I just want to get it started. And if it's too long, I could add another flat washer to push it out just a little bit further. That one seemed to be fitting okay. If it's too long, I can either add a shorter bolt, or I can add a couple of washers. I want to see how far it goes down before it actually stops. Then I'll back it back off. The bolts went in fairly easy. Basically, the bolt will go all the way through the frame. So there was no problem actually getting that bolt in. So again, like I say, you want to go back sometime if you have a trailer on your bike. It's probably good to just, take the cover off the side. Go back and check the bolts. Just go around and make sure that everything is still tight on the bike, because sometimes things may vibrate loose and you not even know it. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was working with. So everything worked out okay. I was able to get the broken stud out of the side of the Goldwing. I installed brand new metric bolts into the side engine guard, the crash guard, and it's holding pretty good. So I just wanted to show you what I was working with. And again, just go back and check your bolts from time to time to make sure everything is right. At least give everything a good shake to make sure nothing is loose. But anyway, if you guys have any questions or any comments, put it down in the comment section below. If you like this video, you can hit the like button. This is your boy Chris out in the Caliente garage, and I will talk to you guys later. See you.